Hello, good day to all employers. My name is Donalyn Agunos, 36 years old, married and blessed with two lovely daughters ages 16 and 3 years old. I am college undergraduate, took Bachelor of Science and Information Technology. I have experience abroad as a nanny in United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, and 4 years in Hong Kong with two employers. And all that contract are finished. My main responsibilities is to taking care of the children 5 years and above, and also I took care elderly which 89 years old. I'll do also house cleaning, cooking, car washing, doing laundry, ironing, and marketing sometimes. Ma'am, sir, if you hired me as your nanny, I will do my best to fulfill my tasks and do the responsibilities to your family. And that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.